everybody, it's Deb here with Creative Life. Welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for joining me and thanks for subscribing. So today, you guys, is day number 10 and it is Christmas candy theme. For the 12 days of Christmas, we are moving right along, you guys. We got a couple more days left and we are done. I cannot believe it. So today is Christmas candy, I believe. Let's see here. I just want to make sure. Christmas candy. So for this one, last year, I believe it was last year, I created some little popcorn bags that were super easy peasy to do. You guys just get your cardstock and you grab your little, oh my gosh, I always forget the name of this thing. I will remember the name of it. I know last year I had the same problem too. But I grabbed this little guy, right? And you just put your paper in there and it makes these little lines. And so I created some little Christmas candy holders with the same concept, but just smaller. And so I went through some of my, let's see, it's a crimper. I will come up with, I know what it is, you guys. The name is gone. The name is gone. It will come back. I went ahead and grabbed my sweet peppermint collection that I still have scraps left. I still have some paper left in here too, but I mostly have scraps. And so y'all know I love getting rid of scraps. And so I thought instead of cutting more paper, let's use the scraps that we've got. So I went through, so I emptied out my bag back here that keeps all my scraps in, and I grabbed some of the scrap paper, and let me grab this section here, because this is what we're going to be using. So I thought, you know, why not make some little candy bags out of these? Now, these are just little candy holders. There is candy inside of here, you guys. I went ahead and stuck some Hershey Kisses, okay, and some little peppermints. So how cute are these? Now I did do 2 of them, and these ones are smaller ones, but you can make bigger ones too. So let's go ahead and make a couple of these. So if you wanted to make a larger one, let's say for a candy bar or something, right? Usually I want to say a candy bar is maybe about 5 inches. Okay, so let's go with that. So let's go ahead and pick out a scrap that is about 5. This one is 7 inches. So this one is perfect right here. Okay, so you want something that's about 7 inches and it's by 5. So what we're going to do is, this is how I did it. Okay, now I'm not sure how big the candy bar, like probably about that size. So I just got my paper and I rolled it, right? Now you can, if you want to, measure it all out in your candy bar and everything, that's fine. You can do that. I just grabbed the back and I measured in about like a 1/2 inch. So I folded one piece down first. Okay. Got my bone folder and folded it down. And then I went ahead and grabbed the other piece and kind of just eyeballed it and did like a 1/2 inch as my border, or as a back end, okay, so to speak. Like that's where you're going to adhere these 2 pieces together, right? And then you're going to go ahead and roll the front again. Just kind of make it kind of, you know, it's all going to work out. Don't worry. It's not going to get all like squinched or anything. So now you have kind of like an opening for your candy bar. Okay. Now you can glue this shut. Again, this is kind of the same concept that I did the chip bag. I will put the link to the chip bag down below. Or it's not a chip bag. It's a popcorn bag actually that I did. It was so stinking easy. So cute. And you guys will love it. So I'll put that popcorn bag link down below. Now you've got an opening on both ends. So you can definitely stick your little candy bar inside, okay? And if you want to, you can just measure it you know, but like I said, I'm just kind of eyeballing it like this, okay? And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue this part. You can add tape if you want to. I didn't. I just placed glue right here on the edge. I went ahead and glued it shut, okay? Burnished it down a little bit. Now let me grab my little paper towel here, okay? And then I went ahead, stuck it in here, and then just wound it up, okay? Now I didn't go very far up, okay? You can go as far as you want. And then I have some little Hershey's nuggets that I'm going to put in here. Okay, now this probably will be a little bit too big for the little Hershey nuggets, but you can just stick as many as you want in here. Okay, and so I can actually fit more in here if I wanted to, because it's not even all the way down yet. So the Hershey nugget is like right here, and it goes all the way up to here. So this is where, you know, I can go ahead and I can glue this shut, just like this. Alrighty. And I can go ahead and burnish this down. Now I have enough room to go ahead and grab my little crimper, right? Just like that, and go down just a few. And there we go. And now you've got like a cute little candy bar holder or candy holder. Again, I stuck little peppermints in one of these, and then I stuck another, and then I stuck some little Hershey Kisses. And I will make another one here, okay? So for this one, I thought, you know, maybe I'll stick some little snowflakes on top of here. So let me grab one of these. Oh, okay. They didn't stay on there very well. So I can grab one of those, and let me grab my little dots here. Okay. So I'm just going to grab my dots, and we can stick those on there. How cute, right? Just like that. And then let's see if I have, on these ones I had a little snowman, and I had a bow and a little snowflake. Let me see if I have, I don't know if I have another little snowman, but I have a little Christmas ball. How cute is that? Just stick that right up there. How cute is that? Okay, so I can go ahead and stick that on there. And again, I'm just kind of using what I've got in my stash. I have so much. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes like when I'm crafting, I'll cut out things and then not use it or whatever. So it builds up in my stash, right? And so that's exactly what I'm using to kind of just use on these little packages. And then you can decorate these, you know, again, with some other little, oh, I have a little penguin, and I do have another little snowman. So I can go ahead and put this little penguin guy right there. How cute, right? And I can just stick this in a stocking or whatever, and there we go. How cute is that? Such a little nifty idea, right? So let's go ahead and make another one. And I didn't even know I had all some of this stuff down here. I'm like, look at that. So, yeah, how cute is that? I'm looking for more stuff to see if I have anything else down here. I'm just I have a drawer full of like just die cuts and flowers and butterflies and leaves, and just, it's kind of like one of those junk drawers that you just have all kinds of different things inside of it. And so, I thought, you know what? Why not look at this and go through and see if I have anything in here. I don't think I see anything else in here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make another one. Okay. This one can be here we go. We'll do this one right here. So this one, again, I'm just grabbing my paper. I'm just going to kind of roll it. Just kind of pulling it a little bit. Such a nifty idea, you guys. And it's a great way to get rid of some of these like square scraps that you've got. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and bend this back. Burnish it down. Go ahead and put my glue here. Then go ahead, and now if you want a smaller one, you can bring it all the way to the end. But I'm just going to go ahead and go in where my glue is. Okay. It's about a 1/2 inch. And I'm just going to go ahead. And if you know Prima paper, it's pretty thick, you guys. So, and I'm just going to go ahead and burnish that in just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my glue in here. And I'm going to glue that down. Grab this, stick that in there. And there we go. And there is that. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add, I think I'll just add some, I think I'll add Hershey's and some mints to this one. Because I'm all out of the other little guys. I don't know if all that will fit in here, but we'll see. So I'm going to add like 2 of those, right? And then I'll add like 2 of these. And I'm just going to kind of push them down there. And then I'll add 1 of those and another chocolate, just like that, and then close it up at the top. Okay, so now we can go ahead and we can close that up just like that. And this would be really super cute, like for a Secret Santa or something. You know how you give like little gifts for Secret Santa every day, like if you're doing a Secret Santa at work, you give like little Secret Santa things. How cute is this? This is so easy to do. And then you're just going to crimp it, okay, just like that. And there you go. And then you can stick your little Santa on there. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that is super cute. So we're just going to stick him on there. And we're just going to go ahead and put that on there. Just like that. And there's your little Secret Santa gift. And then we'll put on some of these little, I made a couple of these little, put this one on here. Super easy peasy, guys. I mean, this didn't take very long at all, right? And it's super easy to do. And then you can stick on a little flat back pearl right in the middle. And there you go. There is your little Secret Santa gift, or a little, you know, candy that you can put in the stocking for the grandkids or whatever. And then they just, you know, tear it open and, you know, at the bottom or the top, whatever they want to do. And that is what you can do for your candy. I just think that this turned out super cute for a little candy gift. And that is it, you guys. Super easy peasy. I hope you liked today's little project. So down below, don't forget, there are the links to Rosa's channel, Kimmy, and Tiffany's channel. Don't forget to go over and check out what they created today. Today is candy, Christmas candy. It is day 10 of our 12 days of Christmas. Also, don't forget to have your channel visible so we can see if you are subscribed to us. And then again, I want to announce that you have until the 15th of December to go ahead and comment, and then we will pick a winner and announce the winner on the 16th. Okay, so don't forget to do that. Okay, don't forget that you have until the 15th to comment. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you liked today's little gift giving candy thing. I hope that you guys liked today's little candy wrappers. So I hope that you guys liked today's little Christmas candy theme, and that I gave you some inspiration for gift wrapping your candy, or, you know, giving candy. Thank you guys for joining me. Take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks for joining me today, y'all. Don't forget that down here in both of these corners, I have some more fun crafty videos for you to view. And don't forget to hit that bell for future notifications on all upcoming live shows, tutorials, videos, and more.